Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on the Realme 12 Pro Plus. And let's start with translation. You can translate anything from one language to another using your Google Assistant. Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger. Okay, and next one will be on how to count calories in your food. Hey Google, how many calories in the burger?
There are 295 calories and 100 grams of double.
Okay, next one will be on how to find your phone if you lost it somewhere in your room or in your house and you have no idea where it is. Hey Google, where are you?
I'm in the cloud, but I'm also always here when you need me.
Your phone will make a sound and it should be easy to find. Next one will be on kinda funny, because you can ask Google to tell you any joke. Hey Google, tell me joke.
This one will make you giggle or sigh. Who isn't allowed in the zoo's quiz team? The cheetah.
Nice. Next one will be on how to set up timers or plan anything in your calendar. You can ask, hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes.
Got it. 5 minutes. Let that start.
And you can also do it with the calendar. So, hey Google, add a reminder to calendar in 5 minutes that I need to buy a burger.
Alright, I'll remind you today at 6:20 AM.
And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.